Welcome to Class 8 Mathematics, Chapter Power Play. Today we will learn about equivalent forms of negative exponents. We know what 2 to the power 4 means, but what about 2 to the power negative 4? What does a negative exponent even mean? Let us find out. We break down questions step by step to help you understand better. Hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Here is the golden rule. N to the power negative a equals 1 over n to the power a. The negative exponent flips the base into the denominator. Let us warm up with 10 to the power negative 3. Using our rule, this becomes 1 over 10 cubed, which is 1 over 1000. Simple. Now let us apply this rule to all 5 parts. Part 1. 2 to the power negative 4. Using our golden rule, this becomes 1 over 2 to the power 4. Now let us compute 2 to the 4th. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 equals 4, 4 times 2 equals 8, and 8 times 2 equals 16. So our answer is 1 over 16. Part 2. 10 to the power negative 5. By our rule, this is 1 over 10 to the power 5. Now, 10 to the power 5 is 1 followed by 5 zeros, that is 1 lakh. So, 10 to the 5th equals 100,000. Our answer, 1 over 100,000. So far, so good with positive bases. But what happens when the base itself is negative? Part 3. Negative 7 to the power negative 2. Same rule, this becomes 1 over negative 7 squared. Now watch carefully. Negative base with an even power gives a positive result. Negative 7 times negative 7. A negative times a negative gives a positive. So 7 times 7 equals 49. Our fraction becomes 1 over 49. The even power swallowed the negative sign. Our fraction becomes 1 over 49. The even power swallowed the negative sign. Even power made the negative disappear. But what if the power is odd? Part 4. Negative 5 to the power negative 3. This becomes 1 over negative 5 cubed. Now, this is different. Negative base with an odd power gives a negative result. Let us compute negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 5, that is positive 25. But then 25 times negative 5, that is negative 125. So our fraction is 1 over negative 125, which we can write as negative 1 over 125. And there is our answer. Now for something interesting, an exponent so large, we cannot even write the full number. Part 5. 10 to the power negative 100. Same rule, 1 over 10 to the power 100. But wait, 10 to the 100th power is a 1 followed by 100 zeros. That is called a googol. Way too big to write out. So we simply leave our answer as 1 over 10 to the power 100. Done. Here are all 5 answers. 2 to the negative 4 is 1 over 16. 10 to the negative 5 is 1 over 1 lakh. Negative 7 to the negative 2 is 1 over 49. Negative 5 to the negative 3 is negative 1 over 125. And 10 to the negative 100 is 1 over 10 to the 100. The method is always the same. Flip it into a fraction using n to the negative a equals 1 over n to the a. Then compute the denominator. And remember, with negative bases, even powers give positive results. Odd powers give negative results. Negative exponents are not so scary once you realize they are just fractions in disguise. Flip the base and power and you have got it. Keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next question.